Okay, I'm going to do an experiment to see with my iPod if I can hold it under my neck so that I can weave and show it to you. So let's see if I can position it. And now I'll see if I can do this. Okay, let's see how it worked. Bye, it's Nancy today. You can do this at home.